Hey guys, Tony, good morning. I did want to make a really quick video. This was the Red Fox is actually gonna be my fifth micro cap selection for the series that I've been doing to grow my KuCoin account and basically buy small small cap cryptos on the breakouts. Try to make that 100% gain from the breakouts and then sell 50% and then look for something else. And my very first one was Lossless, which did like a 5x. Second one was Block, which I think as of now has done a full 200% plus for me. I did already sell 50% at 100% gain, so that one's just kind of riding on profit. Third one was Haka, which I think I sold at like 20-30% gain just because I wanted to get back into lossless, which is the very first small cap crypto. So I still netted something. I still think Haka's great. I just got out early because I wanted to buy into lossless because it dropped a little bit. Um, my I think next picks the next one that I bought into was Boson Protocol as of right now is about 25% gain. I'm still holding out for that one for a full 100%. And my fifth pick as of yesterday is actually RedFox. My entry was actually here at 10 cents roughly, and my exit is gonna be, well, not my exit, but my 50% exit would actually be here at like 21-ish cents, 20 cents. Um, I bought in because we did break the low trend here, right? We broke out, and then we also broke out of the high trend right here, and that's why I got in because the entry would have been right here on 10 cents or so. As soon as that break on the high uptrend would have been, sorry, high downtrend would have been. Um, so I bought in. I still think this is actually a really good play. I mean, you're on the second week of that bullish week close. You're 100% gonna stay bullish, and I do think there's like a 95% chance we're going to 21 cents. There's absolutely no resistance here. I mean, you might see some resistance at 19 cents. It looks like there is some resistance right here at 19 cents here. So if this gets broken, we're going to 20, which would be right there. Let me see this, and then yeah, actually, let me add that in. So you're more than likely gonna see some resistance at 19 cents. Let's see, right, yeah. You're gonna see some resistance at 19 cents, but I think after that gets broken, you're going straight to 21 cents, and then after that, you really only have resistance up until like 28 cents. But at that point, I'm gonna be riding on just profit and not really looking at what is it called? Not looking at getting in or adding more to this position. I like RedFox because it's a metaverse play, and as of right now, with Facebook changing their name to Meta, the whole metaverse thing. That's why Block ran. That's why you have a lot of other things running, a lot of gaming stuff like Mana, which is the central land. There's I think Sandbox or Sandlaw, and then right now I picked RedFox because it hit all my criteria of breaking out of its of its downtrend or just kind of its sideways trading, right? This is what, like an ascending, like descending triangle, symmetrical, whatever this is, right? I don't really care too much about the patterns, but it had a downtrend ever since, well, since over here, but an actual downtrend since like May, and that actually broke out. Last week, October 25th, the week of October 25th, that actually broke out, which is still this week. I think earlier this week it broke out. So I was definitely looking at it around here when it actually around 8 cents, 7, 8, 9 cents. I was looking at it into here, and then it broke the second high trend, and I'm like, I'm gonna get in a little bit early because you guys know that I don't do things based off of speculation. I do it off of confirmation, right? So technically, I should have gone into this tomorrow, after we actually did close the week bullish, which would have been in another day and 12 hours. But because we did not close, but because we did break that second downtrend on the weekly, right? We're on the weekly chart. Because we did break, right? So the first break was right here. You broke, came down, retested, and then you came right back up, right? And you broke that second high trend, and that's where I saw it, right? It broke that second high trend on the daily candle. I got in right here, and now we're still running. So I think if anything, we might see a retest back here on the second high trend. We might see a retest here of like, I don't know, 8 cents, possibly like 8, 9 cents, 10, like somewhere around this range, right? You might see a retest here. You might see it come down like this and then run back up. I am bullish on this. I don't think that there's a big chance that it'll drop like a lot. But as of right now, I can definitely see it coming back down to like here somewhere and then running up, or coming or staying here and then just running up to what, like 18, 19 cents, this previous resistance right here. So I really only see two things happening, right? Either you come back and retest and run up, or you basically just run up from here, which I think is more than the more likely scenario. But again, that's why we trade based off of TA, because there's a lot of different things that can happen. I don't think we're gonna trade sideways from here. The chart doesn't really look like it's gonna trade sideways. We did hit a bear trigger at 1 in the morning for the 4 hour, and it already closed, right? But I mean, you didn't see any push down, right? If anything, you're actually trading up on the high side of all those candles right now. So I don't think that you're gonna see too much downside right here. Like I said, if anything, you come back down here and then run up, or you just go straight up. I think we're personally gonna go straight up to 19 cents, hopefully in the next couple of days. But yeah, RedFox, this is my fifth small cap crypto pick. I think it's actually, I think it's pretty solid, and that's why I got in. But again, I really only do these on the weekly. So if the weekly looks fantastic and it looks like it's gonna break to the upside, I definitely get in. But yeah, just letting you guys know, lost less. I did 5x block. It was at like 200%. Haka, I got out like 30%, and then what is it? Boson Protocol. I think that's like at 25% right now. And then this one is going to be the fifth pick, which would be RedFox. And I'm hope right now I am at like 30% gain, because I bought at 10 cents roughly 11 cents. It's at 13 and a half. So I am looking at getting out of this, not out of this, but like 50% out at like around 20 cents. And then letting the rest of it ride and profit, and then finding the next one. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.